Y'all, I got stuff coming out of every orifice. I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Sorry. No, I've got, I have so much drainage all the time, right? Well, whenever the drainage gets bad, and yes, I'm telling you all about it, because if I got to live it and y'all are going to watch me, y'all got to live it with me. So all that drainage goes down in my stomach and makes me nauseated, but eventually it makes me have to go the liquid kind. And then this morning, I do my sinus rinse. I'm being loyal with it because that's what everything recommends, is doing the sinus rinse. Then I'm blowing my nose and my nose is bleeding. I'm like, darn flab it. I'm just going to crawl under a rock. Not really. But my scale was up 1 pound. I'm like, well, ain't this a fine how do you do? But that's all right. I brought myself a little bit more calories for lunch today. I'm going to see how that goes. You'll see it when we get there. What else? Since you got my badge, the garage door's down. I had to wear this coat today because I got like thicker stuff, and so I needed something that's just a little bit bigger. I was going to tell you something. I don't know. I got 2 meetings today, so I can't stay home. Look at this. I got a little homework. What does that tell you? I'm going to be a little bit stinker today. I'm going to be like annoying to everyone. No, I'm going to have to, at 11 o'clock, I'll have to have my act together because the afternoon meeting is with people that I've never met before, and I have to explain my program to them. So I can't be my silly self. So hopefully this curl. Anyway, so that's what's going on today. I am just a miserable, crotchety thing. But I love you guys, and I love Jesus, and no matter what, Jesus is going to be with me. No matter what comes out of where. I love you guys, and I'll see you at eating time. Bye. Remember when I said I didn't feel too swift? Yeah, I'm back home. Y'all have seen me when I do ground beef or whatever. I save the broth in this. I also have it saved in jars, but this is so much easier. So I don't feel too swift, so this is what I'm going to do. I think I broke the bag. Anyway, I could have probably done it a little different. I don't know what kind of broth this is, but it's some kind of broth. So, I think it's pork broth. Hang on now. Let me break a little more. That's what I should have done, was just something simple like that. The dogs might go bonkers in a minute because the Poop 911 people are on their way. I get a text saying they're on their way. But anyway, so yeah, I want a little broth. Like I said, I'm home and don't feel the best. So maybe, I'll put this back in the freezer, but I'll put this in another one. But anyway, so now I'm going to microwave this broth. And anyway, I'll get my food heated up and I'll be right back with you. Hi. The broth is still going. It's funny. I used to not have so many issues like this. And because I used to, whenever I had my sinus drainage, I'd just eat crackers or chips, and that made it feel better. But whenever you're carnivore, you can't do that. And because I was talking to my sister, I'm like, dude, I am jealous of the way you have your sinus issues. This is terrible. She just gets headaches. I'm like, I am so jealous. I'm like, I have like a 3-fold problem. I'm like, first it drains and I choke to death. And then it sits in my stomach and I'm nauseated for a week or so. And then I get this problem. But used to, it wasn't as big of a deal because, like I said, I just eat some crackers or chips. And she's like, yeah, that's what she does on the time she gets nauseated. What do we have today? We have 300. I went with 300 grams of 80-20 ground beef. This is the 80-20 that I rinsed off, that I cooked in my crock pot and rinsed off. And so I'm still eating on those. So 80-20 ground beef and 300 grams, which is, my Alexa ain't working. Let's ask her. Alexa, are you Alexa? Or hey, Ziggy, can you hear me okay? She's blue, but she's not talking to me. Ziggy, are you working? No, I gotta do some finagling on her. She ain't right. She just ain't right. Anyway, she's still blue, but okay. Anyway, so 300 grams of 80-20. I don't know what that is. Just fine. Rayos. I've got 134 grams of Rayos. So, y'all, I build my stuff on a scale. And then all I don't like a bunch of dirty stuff. So I set this bowl on my scale, add in my ground beef, zeroed out, write that down, zeroed it out, dump in some Rayos, write that down. And then I have some of that Parmesan cheese in here too. It's that Asiago and something Parmesan cheese. So, and then I don't know how I'm going to put the broth in. That's good. That's good. Like the grape Zevia. You know, when you're a little kid and you'd be sick to your tum-tum. Nothing like a soda. That always kind of felt good when I was a little kid. When I was a kid, staying home from school, I'd have crackers and peanut butter. I remember eating that. And what else do we have? Oh, chicken noodle soup. I ain't got chicken noodle soup, but I'm going to have some broth. Pork broth as soon as it's done. Let me check it. Hang on, I'll show you. If you remember last time I had the issue, I didn't get enough electrolytes back. So I put a big old scoop of my homemade electrolytes in here. Let's try this pork broth. It's going to be hot. I just know it. Even this part's hot. Maybe I'll do it this way. Let's do the old-fashioned way. Didn't really have much of a taste. So yeah, so that's what I'm having. Some Italian beef and grape Zevia and some pork broth. I love you people. We ain't got a lot to talk about today. I've whined enough. I love you all, and that's okay. Jesus is with me. He's holding my hand he's holding my hand every time I go to the bathroom. Love you all. Bye. Well, add a couple extra things today. You'll see it on the macros. What did I have? I had about a bite of peanut butter, and I had a bite of the dog's easy cheese. I ain't gonna beat myself up over it. I did it. I had it. I owned it, and I tracked it. So, I'm seeing what damage it did. This is pork steak and yogurt and some balsamic vinegar. I don't know how much more of the pork steak I have. And whenever this runs out, I'm going to get back to doing beef for both meals. I like it. Tomorrow, I done told you, tomorrow I'm going to be taking my stuff. Also want to say that, sometimes weight loss, your foods, for me, let me say it this way. For me, making my foods repetitive and making the same foods makes it a whole lot easier to track. When I first started keto, I wanted everything. I wanted to try this flavor and that flavor and this and that and the other. And that's all fun. But when you are tracking 5, 6, 7 days a week, it's difficult to make up a bunch of recipes for every day. You know what I mean? So for me, I choose to make it boring. And it's not that it's boring on purpose, but it's repetitive. So you will see I eat a lot of repetitive things. And so that's why I jibber jabber about other things, because my food is always the same. Pork steak, Greek yogurt, or pork steak, and whatever sauce I use. And a creamy. Same thing, same thing, same thing. This is lemon. But that's where I get my fun flavors, is changing it out. Like I told y'all, you ain't got to get a creamy. You ain't got to go buy a keto chow. I used to use, hang on, I'll show you. On my way down, almost every morning, I had a bowl of Greek yogurt. It was like Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. I did it just for the texture and, just something. But for the texture, I put a squirt of this in there. This ain't clean. This ain't perfect. But who cares? It's me. It's my way. And I had that and some chicken sausages. And I still lost weight. But that morning was like a little moussey dessert. So you don't have to go out and buy a bunch of stuff. My gosh, you don't have to make this stuff. There ain't no need for it. You just buy you some yogurt or cottage cheese that you like and you can afford and that fits your macros, and squirt you something inside of it. And there's a delicious, yummy dessert. Buy you some sugar-free pudding flavor. Sprinkle some of that in there. There's so many options, you guys. Just do what works for you. Let's not be so... I mean, we need to be with our calories as best as we can. But in a situation like today where I wasn't, it's okay. I'm not beating myself up. And I love you. Jesus loves you. And we got this, okay? We're gonna make it where we need to together. Did I tell you? I can't remember. I packed up my stuff for tomorrow. I have a work meeting off campus. And last time they got Smokehouse 51. I think the last couple times. They had like 2 different salads. Some like pulled pork and some kind of chicken something. I don't know what else all they had. But then they had cookies and stuff that people could nibble on later. So I've gone ahead and packed up my lunch for tomorrow. I have a coffee that I already made up. I have 2 73% burgers, but I pulled them out so they were strained. You know what I mean? So they're not really 73. I think I'll plug them in as 80% because I left the grease behind. You know what I mean? But anyway, so 2 burgers, my coffee. I'm taking 3 of those meat sticks. And I also added in 2 of those chicken sausages. Am I going to need all that tomorrow? Probably not. I'm only going to be, we're there from 8 to 3:30. But, afterwards I got to run by and help my friend figure out an email issue. So, it depends on how long that's going to take. But I also have pool tomorrow night too. So tomorrow night, after I'm done eating, I will be taking some meat sticks with me there too. So, it's tomorrow's going to be another high calorie day, but I'd rather be high calorie on foods that I choose than high calorie on high carby stuff that I can't control what's in them. So that's what I know, and I'll see you tomorrow. I love you guys. Bye. Okay, here's my coffee from this morning. That's everything I put in it. And that is my lunch and my afternoon coffee. And I got the pork broth on there. And that's my dinner. And see there, I got the peanut butter and I got the easy cheese from the dog. And that's my total macro.